All right, guys, it's time for another Smith's crappy situation. So if you saw our other video, you saw that when we were at Devil's Tower, our toilet crapped out on us, literally. It stopped working in a 4-year-old camper. Of course, it happened on a long weekend, or we're not actually close to any major town either. So we had to wait till the Tuesday in order for us to go get some assistance. I think it was Tuesday or Monday. Either way, we had to get a new toilet. So now fast forward, it is now a month later, and guess what? Our fantastic brand new toilet is not holding water. Yes, folks, this is real RV life right here. Our new toilet is not holding water. So I'm on a mission. I've watched some videos on how to fix it, and I'm on a mission to remove that seal, see if there is some sort of buildup on it that is preventing it from holding in the water and sealing. And I've got a little bit of Vaseline to put around it and see if that works. We're going to try it and see. So first, put on your rubber gloves. This is going to be a dirty job. My big challenge is getting the black ring out without dropping it in the tank. All right, removing the ring was actually pretty darn easy. I'm a little bit scared that getting it back on may not be so easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this ring, I'm going to lubricate it a bit, and then I am going to clean out the very base in there and make sure there's absolutely no residue. All right, the toilet is all cleaned out. Next step is to lube this up. Now, before you guys get all up in my comments and judge me, this is what I'm using. Straight up petroleum jelly from Walmart. They didn't have anything in store that was like plumbing related or anything like that. So I'm going to use this for now until I can find the right product so that my toilet will hopefully work in the meantime. Putting the ring back into place was super simple. It just snaps right into place. Okay, I was able to get it in without any difficulty whatsoever. You do not have to open it when you're putting the ring back in. So there's a lot less risk if you're dropping it down the toilet. All right, now for the ultimate challenge, does it actually work? Cross your fingers. We're going to give it a few minutes and see if the water's still there. Well, guys, I think I have fixed it. The toilet seems to be holding water. It's been 10 minutes and there's been no draining of the water. Before, it was draining pretty darn quick. So there's a lot of girls out there that can fix stuff so easily. I am not one of those girls, and I know that was a very minor repair, but I'm super happy that I fixed that. When my husband gets home, I'm going to be all like, pat on the back. Anyways, super easy to do, you guys. Honestly, give it a quick clean. You might even want to add it to a kind of like a regular part of your plan of keeping your trailer maintenance, but it wasn't overly bad either, but obviously a little bit of that Vaseline is making a difference in the seal, and it seems to be working much better. All right, there's a quick and easy repair for you. Hopefully that's all you need. Take care, you guys. Happy travels.